Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you another keto recipe. Actually, it's more of a condiment. We all eat mayo. We all love mayo. Now you ask, why can't I just eat the store-bought mayo? There are so many varieties. Well, for one, most store-bought mayos have sugar added in it, and that is a big keto no-no. And also, most mayos are made with vegetable oil, and as you know, vegetable oil is not a keto-friendly oil and you should be staying away from it. This is such a simple process. If you haven't made mayo before, you are gonna have your minds blown. It is super easy. So, keep watching. So this is what you're gonna need to make a keto mayo. I'm using my Breville Active blender. You can use a normal grinder or juice or mixie or a shaker or a bullet blender, anything that you choose. The ingredients are salt, an egg, white vinegar, some mustard powder, which is basically just mustard seeds that I had ground, and some olive oil. You can use extra virgin olive oil. I've chosen to use olive pomace oil. To start off, you break open one egg into your blender. As you can see, I'm using a medium-sized egg. You can use a bigger size egg and get more mayo out of it. If you're using a small size egg, make sure to use two. Up next, I'm going to be using some of this mustard powder. For one egg, I'm just going to put half a teaspoon is what this is. Also, to stabilize the eggs as well as to give them flavor, about a teaspoon of white vinegar. And also, to flavor the mayo, I'm going to use some salt, and you can add in about half a teaspoon or less according to your taste. I'm going to give this a whiz. So mix it up till it's a little frothy and gets lighter in color. Now is when we can slowly add in our olive oil. If you're using a blender, a blender with those normal blender jars, this could be easier because you just have to open the top and slowly pour in the olive oil little by little. But I'm just gonna have to pour in a little, blend, open, pour in a little, blend and open. So do whatever's easy for you. Pour in just about that much olive oil. And I'm going to blend this. We're going to repeat that process. Add in some more olive oil. You can add in about a tablespoon at a time and then blend it again, and you can actually already see the mixture going lighter and lighter every time you blend it. This process is called emulsification, and around. I'm just gonna show you what this looks like. Taking a spoon just to show you the consistency of this mayo that I made. And here it is. I actually like my mayo a little sweet just to balance out the sourness of the vinegar, and so I'm using stevia. You can actually skip this if you want to. So the keto-friendly mustard mayo is ready. You can see how thick this is. You can actually go thicker by adding more eggs and more oil, but this is exactly the consistency I like so that it's easily mixable with all those delicious salads and eggs. Remember, you can make this whatever flavor you like. If you like to add in some chili or you like to add in some garlic, just mix it in with the blender and it will flavor it up just perfectly. Yes, I told you so. That easy to make homemade mayo. Of course, you cannot keep it for as long as the store-bought mayo, but you can store it in the fridge for up to 2 days because you're adding vinegar in there. So that should keep it fresh, but don't make too much that you have to store it in the fridge. So stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. I have a lot more recipes, a lot more keto tips, and not forgetting, if you're into fashion and beauty, a lot more makeup videos coming up. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.